Good morning everyone. I am Dipanshi from BSc Chemistry Honors third year. Coordination compound. These compounds are a special class of compounds in which the central atom or ion, usually a metal, is surrounded by a cluster of ions or molecules. These are also known as coordination complexes or compounds. It is well known that certain compounds are formed from apparently saturated molecules capable of independent existence. Example, aqueous ammonia is added to a green solution of nickel chloride NiCl2. The color changes to purple. Ni plus 2 is almost ion almost disappear from the solution. Ammonia molecule form association with nickel 2 positive, forming a new species of purple crystals NiNH36Cl2 coordination compound or crystal. NiCl2 plus 6NH3 gives coordination compound Ni bracket NH3 6 bracket whole Cl2. The compound ionizes in water, forming a complex ion NiNH3 6 2 positive. NiNH36 Cl2 gives NiNH3 6 2 positive plus 2 Cl negative. इट इज़ अ कम्प्लेक्स आयन स्पीसीज इन द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट डज नॉट आयनाइज, वो आयनाइज नहीं होते, रिमेन एज सिंगल आइडेंटिटी, एक सिंगल एंटाइटी की तरह रहते हैं और इसलिए उनको क्या बोलते हैं, कम्प्लेक्स आयन. सिमिलरली वी हैव लर्नड इन क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस दैट white precipitate of silver chloride dissolves in the ammonium hydroxide. This is due to the formation of soluble complex. AgCl plus 2NH3 gives AgNH3 whole twice 2Cl, soluble coordination compound. AgNH3 whole twice 2Cl gives AgNH3 2 positive plus Cl negative. Coordination compound or double salt. Double salt are addition or molecule compounds which are formed by two apparently saturated compounds. Mohr salt. FeSO4 dot NH4 whole twice 2 SO4 dot 6H2O. Potash alum K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 3 dot 24H2O. Mohr salt. FeSO4 plus NH4 2SO4 plus 6H2O gives FeSO4 dot NH4 2 SO4 dot 6H2O called Mohr salt. Mohr salt is FeSO4 ferrous sulfate dot ammonium 2 twice diammonium sulfate dot 6 water molecules. It dissolves in water giving Fe plus 2 NH4 positive and SO4 2 negative ions. FeSO4 NH4 2 SO4 dot 6H2O gives Fe plus 2 NH4 positive plus 2 SO4 2 negative. Note: a coordination compound is formed from combination of two or more stable molecules of different species and retains in identity in solid as well as in dissolved state. Complex ion may be defined as an electrically charged species which consists of a central metal atom or ion surrounded by a group of ion or neutral molecule. Example: NiNH36 bracket 2 positive is a complex ion which central atom nickel ion is surrounded by 6 ammonia molecules. Similarly, AgNH3 2 positive cationic complex, a complex ion which has a net positive charge, is called cationic complex. For example, cobalt NH36 3 positive, nickel NH36 2 positive, cobalt NH3 4 Cl2 whole twice positive. Anionic complex, complex which has net negative charge, is called anionic complex. AgCN2 negative, FeC2O4 3 negative and FeCN6 4 negative. These are anionic complex. Neutral complex, a complex which has no net charge, is called neutral complex. Central metal ion and ligands. A cation to which one or more neutral molecule or anions are attached is called central metal atoms, while molecules and ions attached to the central ions are called ligands. Ligands क्या होते हैं, जो अटैच होते हैं सेंट्रल एटम से, और सेंट्रल एटम तो सेंट्रल एटम होता ही है. इन कम्प्लेक्स आयन NiNH36 2 पॉजिटिव, Ni2 पॉजिटिव क्या सेंट्रल एटम या आयन, NH36 क्या लिगेंड्स. लिगेंड्स के साथ ही क्या बनाता है, कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. कंडीशंस क्या क्या हैं, सेंट्रल एटम शुड हैव वैकेंट d orbital, ligand should have lone pairs of electron in outermost orbital which can be donated or given to central atom. The atom twin the ligand which can donate electron pair is called donor atom or coordinating atom. Example: ammonia, nitrogen is donor atom or coordinating atom. Example: in ammonia, N is the donor atom, NH2 and O is the donor atom. ऑक्सीजन के पास लोन पेयर है, नाइट्रोजन भी के पास भी लोन पेयर हैं. Let's see example. Nitrogen 3 bonds 1 lone pair. Oxygen टू बैंड शेप स्ट्रक्चर होता है, वैसे इसका 2 लोन पेयर है। और ये क्या है, एन डोनर एटम। इसके पास नाइट्रोजन के पास भी एक पेयर लोन पेयर, इसके पास भी एक लोन पेयर, इसलिए डाइमर हो गया, नाइट्रोजन डाइमर एटम्स। टाइप्स ऑफ लिगेंड, लिगेंड में भी सिंपल आयंस सच एज Cl नेगेटिव और OH नेगेटिव, क्लोराइड आयन और हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन, स्मॉल मॉलिक्यूल सच एज NH3 और H2, और लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल सच एज H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2 और N CH2, CH2, NH2, or even macromolecules such as proteins. Unidentate or monodentate ligands. Ligands which can coordinate to central ion through only one donor atom are known as unidentate or monodentate ligands. Example: F negative, Cl negative, Br negative, I negative, Cn negative, CNS negative, NO2 negative, OH negative, and NH3, H2O, CO, pyridine. Water formula H2O, donor atom O, ammonia NH3N, pyridine C5H5N, carbonyl COO, nitrosyl NON, triphenylphosphine C6H53PP, halide ion X, donor atom X, hydroxide ion OH negative, donor atom O, cyanide ion Ca negative, N भी दे सकता है और C भी दे सकता है, नाइट्रो में N, नाइट्राइट ONO negative O, ऑक्साइड आयन O2 negative O, thiocyanate SCN negative और S और N, acetate CH3COO negative O. Bidentate ligand, ligand which have two donor atoms present in the molecule and therefore can coordinate to central ion at two positions called bidentate ligands. Oxalate ions, ethylene diamine. Here are example: dimethyl glycoside ions type pyridyl 110 phenethylene phen. Polydentate ligands which have more than two donor atoms present in the molecule are called polydentate ligand. They may be called by tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, hexadentate ligands. EDTA: NCH2 CH2N, CH2COOH, CH2COOH, CH2OOH, CH2OOH. यहाँ पे भी आएगा. Thank you.